Who would send me this?
Sender said you'll find the truth inside.
This can't be real.
If you're watching this, your father didn't die.
They're coming for us!
Then we expose them before they silence us.
The movie you just watched is totally AI and it was made with Grok. I use Grok for free, no subscription, no long process, totally free. I've actually done this tutorial before, but still most of you came to my comment section asking the name of the app. Okay, that's why I decided to revisit it again today and be more detailed about it. Okay, for those of you that care to listen, this is the app I used to create that beautiful AI movie you just saw. Okay, and this is still the app I used for my previous video. Okay, because me, I value my subscribers. My subscribers are family to me. I don't joke with my subscribers. That is why I decided to revisit the topic again today. Okay, so please stay with me to the end of this video, and if you've not subscribed to my channel, my darling, please do subscribe. Subscription is totally free. Okay, if you don't know how to subscribe, beneath this my video you will see a bell, just click on it. It's totally free. Okay, so stay with me to the end of this video because I'm revisiting this topic again, this tutorial, and I'm going to be detailed about it. This is how your interface is going to look like. You can see we have 200 free coin there. Okay, and we have so many activities here you can create for free. You can see the ancient history tale. If you want to do more like a Merlin story, you can do it here. Okay, and the good thing about this site is that you can also create a script here and a prompt here, because here is amazing. You can do all in one here. Okay, you can even generate your image, create your prompt here, and also create your videos here. Okay, so let us start creating. You can see you have section to insert your picture, section for your scripts, and other amazing thing here. You click on your plus sign. Okay, we are going to pick our images. My images are already generated. Okay, if you don't know how to make a good prompt for your image or a good story, go back to my videos. Okay, and learn more. So please watch carefully. Okay, you can see what I clicked. You can see the sign there. You can see we even have ChatGPT there, Nano Pro, and other amazing apps there you can also use for free. Not everything is for free here, but there are good ones here you can use for free. And you can see image and videos. Here is if you want to create images. Okay, so we are not creating images today. Okay, so we are going to divert to video. The ones with the crown on the head is not free. Okay, but those ones that don't have a crown on their head is free. You can see I selected Grok Imagine. My darling, you can see it is 60 coin here. The last video I did was 40 coin on Chrome. This is Safari that I'm using for iPhone users on a package cost too. So use Safari, use Chrome. Chrome is just 40 coin. You can see you can change your seconds. You can choose how many seconds you want. Let's not waste much time. Okay, let's go and copy our prompts In case you missed last video, you can go and watch it. It was more easier than today's own. I'm just trying to make it more detailed, okay? So our video prompt and dialog is ready. We move to paste it. Don't forget to always make sure that Grok Imagine is being selected, but it's not a must to choose Grok, okay? But Grok is superb here. So if you don't feel like choosing Grok, don't make a mistake by switching to video, okay? Except you want to generate an image here, you can switch, okay? So let's go. You can click to that equals to sign close to that 62. Pick how you want the size of your video or image to be. Then the arrow facing up is what we clicked that brought us here. One good thing about this app is that once you paste your prompt and you insert your video, they will first analyze your prompt and your video, okay? And it's a good thing if they analyze it. In case your prompt doesn't go well, maybe you want something more interesting and fantastic, they will actually give you an option. Okay, see, what if you put your story like this? It will make more sense. You can see they're even helping you to think and everything and doing the workflow, okay? So when you are at this stage, you don't need to be frustrated, okay? Because this is a stage that they can actually correct you if your prompt is not actually going to give you what you want, give you that your AI beautiful video, okay? So let's be patient and see our results.
Who would send me this after 10 years?
The sender said you'll find the truth inside.
Who would send me this after 10 years?
The sender said you'll find the truth inside.
Okay, pause. I know you guys saw when the girl was double or AI made her to, okay? And if you redo it now, you're gonna waste your coin. That's why I said you should be good at editing your videos. Moving to the next part, okay? Same process and procedure. Always check what you actually use to generate your videos. You can choose any one of your choice, but Grok is superb. So they are helping us to think, they are doing their workflow and everything, okay? So let's patiently wait for their results. here we go.
This can't be real.
If you're watching this, your father didn't die by.
Okay, moving to the next part. Okay, here we go.
They're coming for us.
Then we expose them before they silence us.
So welcome guys, you can see it was very easy, no long process, no big stress. And the good thing about this Grok is that they give you plenty coin to generate so many videos, as plenty as possible. And you know the trick, you can still trick them the way we were tricking them when we were using the main Grok AI. For those that understand, my subscribers know what I'm talking about. Okay, for more free and accessible updates like this, please don't forget to join the family. Okay, like I always say at the end of every video that I do, my comment section is open for interaction. Okay, if you have questions or contribution, you can put it on the comment section. I'll be interacting with everyone on my comment section. God bless you. Thank you for watching. For those of you that don't know my name is Mimi and we are family. Okay,